Yeah, there we go.
I thought your camera work was really good, especially when the way you like follow people, especially when Zach was on the bike, and your reverse shot and stuff was good, except when you broke the rule. But except it was quite confusing, like when you was watching it. But I did think it was really good.
What was confusing?
I'm not, like what was going on. I didn't really understand like what it was meant to be about, other than I don't know. I could see like it's something about his head, isn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, like the fact that you two were like arguing, or like he was in a mood or whatever.
I thought it was good, but at the beginning when you got the phone call, I didn't really understand what was going on then. But it was good camera work and
Okay, I like the idea that he was going a bit mad and he could hear things in his head. I thought it was really good how you put the deep voiceover when you were talking, when having a conversation. And the camera work was good, especially when you're riding the bike in school. You got it from him coming out of the house from all different angles, which was good. But I didn't really, like they've said, I didn't really understand what the story's about. Like you just explained that the name means a party, but was it? I don't know. Like it was in school, but I couldn't really like put two and two together. But I liked it and would like to see the rest.
Okay.
I thought your camera was good, especially your reverse shot. And at the beginning, when they were like having a party, I liked how it all like faded into each other. But obviously, as Miss pointed out, across the 180-degree rule, although I wouldn't have noticed that, but she did. But like everyone else, I didn't really understand what was going on. Like, I only heard him slightly when he said he could hear things in his head. But like, if I hadn't heard it, and then this voice came over, I wouldn't have like understood what was going on, if you know what I mean. And I just thought it was about him, but then it was about the other characters, and I wasn't sure. Obviously, I guess if you watch more, it would all fit together. But.
And also at the beginning, when you had like the really quick shots of like the talking and then the party, and then I thought that was really good, like a good beginning to it. It was good.
Anything else? Do you want to ask some questions? Would all of you have wanted to watch it again then?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd like to find
see
out
what happened.
was actually
Yeah.
happened. Yeah, I reckon if you were allowed like maybe a minute, 2 minutes more onto it, a lot, it would have been like much clearer.
Yeah, we had to cut it down a lot.
Yeah.
In the beginning, like it was clear that he was like an outsider. Because he obviously while he was all quiet, he was just sitting there. So I wanted to know like more about him and stuff.
Did you get the genre? What it was about? Like what kind of?
didn't really explain what the genre was.
Okay.
So that was a bit unclear.
No, I got that it wasn't funny. I think it was more like
Serious.
not horror, but thriller maybe, like
Teen genre.
Yeah.
But
yeah,
people,
it was negative. It wasn't funny. Like
yeah, I understand what you mean though.
yeah, I can't explain it. It was good. I liked it.
I'm just going round. I've been like that for ages.
What else is there? Is there anything else?
Anything else about the sound? Because we need to add music in there and stuff.
Maybe you could use your sound to make it more clearer what's going on.
Yeah.
Like the party thing. Like if that was it supposed to be a party?
Yeah.
Yeah, then you could use that because I saw them dancing in school and thought that's a bit weird. Like, is it supposed to be a party or not?
Our basic plot, it was basically people broken into school, but we couldn't really establish that because it had to fit into 2 minutes, and that's the only reason why. And the party was supposed to be in school, and Zach was supposed to be going to it as well. So it's just a bit, it was a bit mixed up because we wanted it to.
But it was like 5 minutes long, so we had to cut it all
Now
down.
you've said that you can see more what it was supposed to be about.
Or maybe when he got the phone call, like he could say, like kind of be like, oh, you're in school. Sort of thing, maybe. That's true. Like, oh, you're not supposed to be there, and then maybe someone else could be like, yeah, we're having a party. Or something.
Okay.
It's a good plan. Like it's a good plot.
Yeah.
How does the boy link into it with his thoughts in his head?
He's basically schizophrenic. So basically, he's got 2 personalities. They all mix up and things, and says he's got mental illness. So we're gonna put on voiceovers of him kind of saying things anyway to kind of connote that he's kind of a bit funny anyway.
That's good though. I like the idea. Not the plot, the idea.
Okay. Is that it? Yeah. Okay, we'll finish.